I'm standing on almost 4 acres that's for sale in West Dothan off John D. Odom and Murphy Mill Road. To find land like this is very rare in this part of town. Right behind the Target Shopping Center, this is almost 11,000 square feet. This church is relocating, so it is move-in ready to go for another church, healthcare, schools, and much more. Now that we're inside, you'll see we have a wall-to-wall real wood stage, a big screen, a projector, and seating capacity up to 150 people with really tall ceilings. Right across from the auditorium, you have a home that is connected with a large full kitchen. You've got multiple offices, an eating room, conference room, and so much more. Come see it. Thanks for seeing this property and building with me. I'm David Ridley with eXp Realty. If you want more information, give me a call.